I believe Siemens software solutions talk better to each other than anybody, by far. Our electrical talks to mechanical, talks to simulation, talks to manufacturing, better than anybody. But it still could be better. And our users are asking us to make that better. And we are. One of the ways we're creating an interaction that improves connections between different disciplines is having something that we call a homepage. All Siemens products are going to have the same homepage, same ability to look at results from different disciplines. So yes, you might be a mechanical engineer if you're using NX, but you'll be able to see the electrical input and be able to see how the electrical is interacting with the mechanical. Stop the Swiss cheese. Increase the interaction between electrical and mechanical. And add software to it, add manufacturing to it, add simulation to it, and come up with an optimal best product.